Hello and aloha! If you've been to Hawaiian Luau, you'll be familiar with this dish, Kalua Pork. I'll be showing you how you can make it using a crock pot. You'll need pork butt, then salt all sides of the meat. It takes about 1.5 tablespoons to cover it. I like to use Hawaiian salt, but sea salt is also great too. This meat is great that even my cat seems to be attracted to it. Then you put the meat in the crock pot. Since I won't be smoking it in an imu, which is a pit oven in Hawaiian, I'll be using 1 tablespoon liquid smoke flavoring. Cover the crock pot and select low heat for 8 hours. Halfway through, you want to flip the pork to cook the other side. Cover it and let it cook again. 30 minutes before the pork is done, cut a head of a cabbage and add it to the crock pot. Once the crock pot finishes cooking, uncover and using forks, start to shred all of the meat. You'll get to the bone part. Remove all of the meat around it and throw it away. Plate your Kalua pork with a side of rice. Serve it hot and enjoy the meal. If you want more local grinds, please subscribe. Mahalo!